I sat down next to my computer and started working with Blender 3D at 10 a.m. Before I knew it, I was zoned in. When I finally finished modeling, I checked the clock and what the fuck, it's 4 a.m. Where did the day go? I didn't even eat my lunch, man. That simple model totally consumed me. In this video, I'm going to share 4 most underrated tips that will save many hours and speed up your workflow. Make sure to watch this video until the end, because the last tip might be the most important. Shall we begin? Tip number 1, change the interface. If you've been with me since the beginning, you might already guessed what's coming next. It's customizing the Blender interface to our preference. At first glance, tweaking the interface might seem minor, but trust me, it will make a huge difference. Let me show one concrete example by adjusting the UI settings. In rendering work, you can skip optimizing rendering settings, composition, and HDRIs every time you render a model. With my custom settings loaded, it's a seamless process. To watch the full guide on Set Up Your Blender UI, check out my video, link will be in the description. Watch it, change it. Tip number 2, shortcut keys and quick favorite. Learning shortcut keys will streamline your process and saves you hours. Initially, I struggled to capture the perfect view for my model. Adjusting the camera angle was a nightmare. Then I discovered the Align View to Active Camera tool. This game changer captured the viewport angle as a camera position, making my work effortless. So the moral of the story is, many users do things the hard way instead of smart ways. Don't be one of them. Explore the tool menu and discover time-saving features. The second thing you need to learn is shortcut keys and their use. I don't know you people are faced this problem in Blender. In the Node Editor tab, you have assigned the material to your model, but the nodes are not displaying on the editor. Fortunately, I later discover that pressing Home key will solve this issue and bring back the hiding nodes. The last tool I want to share in this tip is start using Quick Favorite tool. By default, pressing Q doesn't reveal much, but you can make it as an usable tool. Right-click any tool. For example, I choose the camera tool. Now you see many options. Just select Add to Favorites. Now access your most used tool instantly by pressing Q key. So, select any tool you find it hard to access and put them into Quick Favorite tool. It's really crucial for edit mode. So, implement this tip and watch your productivity soar. Tip number 3, the truth about add-ons. Add-ons are powerful, they save a lot of time and make your work easier. Believe me or not, add-ons are the real game changer. If you want to take 3D modeling seriously, make it your full-time job and earn more money, then add-ons are necessary. The more time you have, the more you learn, earn, and improve. Obviously, most people are triggered when I talk about purchasing add-ons. To them, I just want to say a few things. Is 3D modeling your goal? Do you really love the process? Do you want to continue and seeking for improvement? If it's not, you're just doing for fun, then go ahead and do whatever you feel right. But if you want to make it your passion, then why can't you invest a few dollars into your work to make it easier? And invest that saving hours to improve or doing other tasks? Just think about that. Even if you can't purchase all the add-ons at once. Just one, can't you? Even if it's one, that's a great move. You're already ahead of 99% people. So for those who are willing to purchase add-ons but don't know what is needed, check the description. I've listed the only add-on you need for hard surface artists. I understand some people can't afford add-ons due to their circumstances, but don't lose hope. You can go with free add-ons, free or paid. Add-ons are necessary. You can create a stunning model with free add-ons and also speed up your workflow. If you're smart, you can find alternative solution for paid add-ons. Comment secret. I uploaded a video for that. Tip number 4, online resources and asset browser. In 3D modeling, you don't have to build everything from scratch. Online resources and asset browser can revolutionize your workflow. Needed a human model for your scene? No need to sculpt from scratch. As a hard surface artist, you don't have to waste time on doing something that is out of your niche. Leverage online resources to save time. My most recommended add-on for this is Blender Kit. This is a king of online resources. With the Blender Kit, you can search and download models directly with Blender. Don't need to export, copying models and assigning material. No bullshits, just click and download. So get the add-on before it becomes a paid feature. So far, we discussed about online resources, but what about building our own asset library? Sounds interesting, right? Let's build that one. First, we need to choose our model to put into asset. I found this interesting skull steering model, which I made a few months ago. Make sure that you're all part of Mesh are put into one collection. So to start building Asset Browser, first we need to allocate a separate folder. So go to Preferences and File Path. Under Asset Browser, click the plus icon. This will bring you to the File Manager. Choose your destination path and create a new folder. Name is as Asset Library. So save the preference. Now you are ready to add models to the library. I right-click on the collection and click the Mark as Asset option. Now you see that we successfully added. To view it, split the screen into half and choose the new one as Asset Browser. Now if you click on Unassigned Category, you'll see your model. You can even create You Own category and put your model into that collection. The same way you can add You Own created material by right-clicking on the material and add to asset. But right now it's Save as Temporary Files. To make it as default asset library, click the Save as option and save it inside where you created a asset library folder. So that's how to create your asset browser and use it whenever you need. And that's a wrap. I've shared my secret tips to speed up your modeling workflow. But remember, the key to mastery isn't just watching, it's practice. Don't hesitate. Start implementing these principles right now. Experiment, learn, and level up. Don't procrastinate and fool yourself. It's now or never. I'll be back with another valuable content. Meanwhile, stay impregnable.